The ice cream machine is always a challenge.
It's a disaster.
I'm horrified.
Oh, boy.
This has never happened before.
My dream come true, an ice cream machine smackdown.
That doesn't look good.
I think we're approaching total chaos.
It's 2 minutes into the round and I'm already in the ice cream machine.
I can't make my ice cream. Alex is already in that machine. I'm thinking I gotta change gears. So I add some gelatin to my ice cream base to make a panna cotta.
My heart's palpitating. Fingers crossed for her.
Oh,
My sorbet just fell on the floor.
No.
No.
All of it?
I just lost. I just blew it.
And I destroyed my ice cream. You know, I let it over churn.
This ice cream is super frozen.
So I get the idea to incorporate some more buttermilk into it and then take it back to the machine to try to get it to churn properly.
This has never happened before.
Run over to the ice cream machine, and oh my God, David's in the ice cream machine. He's in it. I panic, and I think, okay, maybe I'll try to make instant ice cream on the anti-griddle, and it's just not setting fast enough. So now, emergency plan, let's call it melon gazpacho. I'm freaking out inside.
I go to check on my ice cream, and it's coming out liquid. I'm like, oh my God. I realized it was off. And I flipped it back on. I'm like, oh, geez, it's not good.
All right, guys, Chef Sace thinks it's done. I think he just realized.
Just 13 minutes to go. Sace has only now turned on the ice cream machine.
I really like the flavor of this ice cream, though. It has a very silky, really silky consistency.
I agree, the ice cream is dynamite.
Anthony is getting into the ice cream machine first. This is really going to make things tight for Terry.
God. I noticed Anthony is putting his ice cream into the machine. I can't give up. What is my backup plan? I see the anti-griddle. Clearly, I do not know what I'm doing with this machine. I cannot get my ice cream off of here. I'm trying so hard to save this ice cream.
I'm a team player. I don't want her to lose based on the fact that I hogged the ice cream machine.
You know, I think she is making a chocolate ice cream.
Traditionally, you make chocolate ice cream at the end of all the ice cream if you're a chocolate ice cream maker.
Okay.
Because you can make vanilla, strawberry, and then chocolate. You don't have to clean out the machine because it just covers everything.
Oh, crap. Sorry. I've got to make this ice cream. It's going all over the floor. I'm horrified.
I don't hear the ice cream machine. Is it on?
Whoa! It's not frozen.
Oh my God, I'm a moron.
Lynette put her mix in the ice cream machine but failed to turn it on.
It's all yours, girl.
James is finally out of the ice cream machine, and then I realized that it's like completely dirty. I'm gonna lose so much time having to clean it.
It's super important to clean that ice cream machine because you don't want the flavor transfer, so you got to clean it out.
I made for you the jackfruit, buttermilk, and pepita ice cream.
I think ice cream's perfect.
I'm going to get my ice cream. As soon as I pop it open, it's seized up on me. That sucks.
The Tab's ice cream is completely curdled, and it's not working at all.
I think, all right, well, let's just trash it. I looked at the clock, and I was like, what can I do now?
Oh, boy.
That doesn't look good.
That didn't sound good. Virginia dropped a spoon inside the ice cream machine.
It looks like Andre's removing his ice cream from the machine.
The ice cream is done. It's perfect.
That's good. Adam can get his in.
Yep.
The only issue there is mixing flavors.
The ice cream machine is ready to go, but it's got stuff coming out of every hole it's got.
It looks as if Adam is going to clean out that ice cream machine.
Time suck, for sure.
The last thing I want is for them to eat some of my ice cream and say, oh, look, we found some of Andre's ice cream in your ice cream.
Guys, I think the ice cream machine is seized.
Is Trig making butter?
Oh my God, oh my God.
That's not how that's supposed to sound.
I got my lucky pants on today. It feels like nothing can stop me right now. What was that?
Something has just gone kaboom.
It comes from the ice cream machine. There's glass all over it. Where'd that come from?
Jason put the ice cream in the machine in a dish, and just a vibration knocked it off.
I'm terrified right now that I have champagne glass ice cream.
I mean, he's going into the ice cream machine with that mixture, and he's using his hand.
Here's what I'm worried about. The chunks of strawberry in that ice cream machine, that is a temperamental machine.
I start putting my mixture into the machine, and it's just not going anywhere. I try to force it in, and it's not happening.
Michael, how you doing on that ice cream machine?
I'm making a mess. It's a disaster. So now I'm gonna take the ice cream out, and a tiny drop comes out.
Is there any way to speed this up?
And the ice cream's texture is terrible.
I see that a huge snafu has occurred with the ice cream machine, and I'm starting to sense that I'm not going to be making ice cream after all.
I'm checking on the ice cream machine, and some of the sorbet is still in there.
I'm a fierce competitor, but I'm also a fair competitor. I absolutely have to clean the blackberry out of there.
Next thing you know, like, he actually cleans it.
I don't want to beat somebody on a technicality.
Derek is washing the ice cream machine for his opponent. I don't think that's ever happened here.
All set.
Thank you, Chef. I'm like, wow.
How is he going to feel if Eric turns around and wins? Chef Derek, you've been chopped.
What is going on in the ice cream machine?
It's making that unhappy sound.
I try and get my ice cream to come out. I run and grab a glove and just start kind of scooping it out.
It seems like Eli might not know how to get the ice cream out of the machine.
Eli, how's it going? I'm not sure I know how to use the ice cream machine.
I think we're approaching total chaos.